the Trojan Cow Food Truck,
I do gourmet burgers, loaded fries, and then pulled chicken sandwiches.
and AR Workshop Myrtle Beach.
AR Workshop is a do-it-yourself workshop where you can come in and make your own home decor from scratch.
Two businesses without a lot in common, except that they both received help from the Small Business Development Center at Coastal Carolina University.
They walk me through everything from SBA loans to private investors to bank loans.
They helped me ask the right questions as I was considering purchasing the franchise rights.
Located on Coastal's campus, the Myrtle Beach Area Small Business Development Center operates in partnership with the Small Business Administration.
We have the real world, boots on the ground kind of perspective.
The office has offered confidential counseling to thousands of people through the years.
We help folks that are anybody looking to start a business. We also help clients that have a business.
This office serves Horry and Georgetown counties.
We are a gym that a lot of people don't know where we are and what we do.
The list of services provided is lengthy.
We talk about business planning, management, marketing, legal structures, financing options, really, you name it. If it's small business related, we can do it.
Starting a small business can be confusing and full of anxiety.
It's not easy, and it takes a certain type of person or a certain type of team. I was lucky enough to have a team.
Drew Basiliciato's team includes the Small Business Development Center and specifically Bernita Platt.
I do have, Bernita's name on the truck because she definitely helped me out and made this possible.
Drew says he would probably still be lost without help from Bernita and the center.
I was in over my head. I sat down with Bernita and she kind of just gave me almost like the paint by numbers way to go about this. It just seemed very doable.
AR Workshop is a side business for Christy Rippey.
I'm great at researching skills, but not necessarily opening a business. This was brand new to me.
Christy didn't have to travel far for assistance from her job with Coastal's Office of Philanthropy.
I took the idea to them and I said, what do you think of this? And do you think this is a viable business?
She ended up receiving more from the center than she ever imagined.
It was surprising for sure, and that it was free of cost. There was no cost to me. All I had to do was ask for help.
Christy is just one of many individuals from the Coastal Carolina University community that have gotten that help.
We have a lot of graduates and professors who come to us for that entrepreneurial experience.
Drew and Christy both see the services provided by the Small Business Development Center as a good complement to CCU's primary mission.
If you're a business owner, you can still do stuff, and Coastal Carolina can still help you make that real.
I think it's just a great part of that economic impact of Coastal.
The center has plenty of success stories, such as those represented by Drew and Christy.
It's kind of like a spiritual thing when you start working with someone and you help them to realize their dream.
Those who have realized their dreams under the center's guidance end up being among its most ardent supporters.
I think it should be your first stop as you're considering opening a business.